Hello, welcome to SabTechTV, a tech channel on technological tips and informations. As all of us are aware, technology plays a vital role in our life, and the technology can make our life simple and easy. In this channel, I deal with such tips. So please do subscribe and post your valuable comments and queries at the comment section. Thank you so much. In today's world, communicating with people for leisure or work often requires some sort of video conference calls. Microsoft Zoom and Google Meet is already used for this purpose. Now, Whatspp also joined in this game. Earlier this month, Whatspp started offering group video calls up to 4 people. Whatsapp's new update now allows up to 8 users in audio and video calls. The update version is version 2.20133 or above. So you should open the Play Store or App Store, search for Whatspp and update. I'll open and check the version number. Tap on the 3 vertical dots at the upper right corner, then tap on Settings and tap on Help. Then you tap on the app info to see the version number. Now you can see that it is version 2.20135, which is above 133. Using this update, you can perform group audio and video calls with up to 8 people. If your WhatsApp version is a lower version, you can download the required version from APKMIRROR website. So you can Google APKMIRROR, tap on APKMIRROR. In this website, you will get APK files of all Android applications. Now you can search for WhatsApp. I'll type WhatsApp in the search bar. Now the different versions of WhatsApp is listed. You can see the version 2.20133. On the top of it, WhatsApp for Business, and above that, version 2.20135 is listed, which I have installed in my phone. I have provided link at the comment section of this video. You can download and update your WhatsApp version. Now let's try group calling. I'll enter a group and I'll tap on the dial icon at the top right corner. Now the members in your group is listed. You can tap on the members to be added on this group calling. You can add as much as 7 because you are the 8th member. Once you add 7 members, you will see the names of the rest of the members getting grayed out, which is an indication that you won't be able to add any more members. Now I can tap on either the video call or audio call options. I'll tap on the video call. Now you have got a message that several people are using the old versions of WhatsApp. To start calls with 8 people, all participants need the latest version of WhatsApp. That means to conduct a successful group calling, all participants in the group should use the latest version of WhatsApp, and that is a prerequisite. So that's all for now. Until I catch you with another informative video, bye bye and take care. Please hit the like button of this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel SabTechTV. Thank you so much for your time.